Greetings dear learners, this is Faculty of Social Studies of SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur, Rajasthan. This video is about water resources of class 8 subject Social Studies and I welcome you all to the Knowledge Center of SRN International School. So let's start the video. Water resources. We all know that water is essential for all forms of life. Do you know why Earth is called the blue planet? About 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. As such, the Earth appears blue from space and hence called the blue planet. Now we can list out the different sources of water. There are large water bodies like oceans, seas, lakes, streams, rivers and fresh water, and last groundwater. These are the different sources of water on Earth. Conserving water and improving its quality. The major contaminants of water are bacteria and parasite, chlorinated hydrocarbon, volatile hydrocarbon, lead, salt, hardness and iron. The second one is the use of pesticides in some way or the other is hazardous to people as they are not biodegradable. Water is contaminated with hydrocarbons by oil spills, leaking petrol and diesel tanks and cleaning fluids that are flushed down the drains. The iron contamination and hard water are more serious problems for industrial activities and electricity generation. Conserving water and improving its quality. Besides these problems, there are certain methods to conserve water. Now we can list out some methods to conserve water. Methods for keeping the rainwater in reserves are termed as rainwater harvesting. Rainwater can be stored in the tank for 3 to 5 years, making it a regular source of drinking water. Rainwater, polar pani, is the purest form of natural water. It is often used to cure ailments of sick people. Many houses are built near the tank to keep the house rooms cool in summer. Watershed development. Watershed is the basin of a tributary of a main river. Sprinkle irrigation. It is the most effective and efficient tool of irrigation. Drip or trickle irrigation. This is another type of irrigation which is used to conserve water. Water is supplied to plant roots through underground pipes. Fresh water. When we take 71% of the Earth's surface covered by water, only 3% of it is fresh water. Fresh water is easily available and is suitable for human use. It is found as groundwater, as surface water in rivers and lakes, and as water vapor in the atmosphere. Fresh water is continuously being renewed and recharged through hydrological cycle. And do you know from where fresh water is obtained? surface runoff, groundwater. Can you say what surface water is? It is the overland flow of rainwater. The surface runoff from a large area gets collected in the form of small streams which unite together to make big rivers. The area drained by a big river along with its small stream tributaries is called a river basin. Surface water resources include water in the rivers and reservoirs, water in the lakes, ponds and tanks, water in the seas, water in the oceans. What is underground water resources? It includes water which has become underground through percolation or seepage and is lying in the porous rocks above the imporous rocks. Water resources in India. The distribution of water resources in our country, India receives a good amount of rainfall, but the distribution of rainfall is highly uneven. About 20% of the rainwater is lost by evaporation and nearly 30% I hope you have understood everything that I have explained here today. Thank you so much for watching this video.